Imagine a drone that fits in the palm of your hand, but possesses the raw cinematic power of a professional Hollywood rig. For years, the sub-250-gram category was seen as the entry-level playground, a place for hobbyists to skirt FAA regulations while sacrificing the high-end specs found in the heavy hitters like the Mavic Series. But today, the game has changed. We are standing on the precipice of a revolution in aerial cinematography, because the first major leaks for the DJI Mini 6 Pro have finally surfaced, and they are nothing short of industry-shaking. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro, or even the recently rumored Mini 5 were the peak of portable tech, you need to clear your schedule and pay close attention. The leaked data suggests that DJI is about to break the laws of physics and engineering to bring us features we previously thought were impossible for a drone of this size. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now let's dive deep into the heart of these 2026 leaks that are sending shockwaves through the drone community. The headline feature that everyone is talking about, the one that makes the Mini 6 Pro a potential Mavic killer, is the rumored 1-inch Titan CMOS sensor. For a long time, fitting a massive 1-inch sensor into a sub-249G frame was considered a cooling and weight nightmare. However, internal reports suggest DJI has utilized a new magnesium-lithium alloy frame that is significantly lighter than previous plastics, allowing them to allocate every spare milligram to the optics. This isn't just any sensor. It's a high-sensitivity powerhouse capable of capturing 6K video at 60 frames per second. Imagine the level of detail you can get in your social media crops and professional edits when you have that much resolution to play with. But it's not just about the pixels. The leaks point toward a massive leap in dynamic range, up to 14 stops, meaning your sunrise and sunset shots would no longer suffer from blown-out highlights or crushed, noisy shadows. This drone is being designed for the serious filmmaker who needs to travel light, but refuses to compromise on the final output. But how do you handle that much power in the dark? That brings us to the next groundbreaking leak, Nightscape LiDAR technology. This is arguably the most significant safety upgrade in the history of the Mini series. Traditional vision-based obstacle avoidance systems struggle or fail entirely in low-light conditions, which is why most pilots are terrified of flying their Minis at night. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a miniaturized 360-degree LiDAR sensor array. Unlike cameras, LiDAR uses laser pulses to see in total darkness, creating a real-time 3D map of the environment. This means the Mini 6 Pro will be the first ultralight drone capable of full omnidirectional obstacle sensing in pitch-black conditions. Whether you're weaving through a forest at dusk or navigating a complex city skyline at midnight, the drone's AI will have a level of spatial awareness that was once reserved for industrial-grade UAVs. The transmission system is also getting a massive overhaul with the introduction of DJI 5. In the high-interference environments of major U.S. cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago, signal drops are a constant frustration for pilots. The 5 system is reportedly built on a new frequency-hopping algorithm that utilizes 5G integration to maintain a rock-solid 1080p/120 fps live feed at distances up to 20 kilometers. While no one is flying that far under VLOS rules, the real benefit is the penetration power. You could be flying behind a concrete structure or in a congested radio frequency zone, and the link will remain stable. This level of reliability is what separates a toy from a professional tool. Combined with the rumored 52-minute flight time, enabled by new solid-state battery chemistry, the Mini 6 Pro is effectively eliminating the range anxiety and battery dread that has plagued the drone industry for a decade. Let's talk about the gimbal, because this is where DJI is truly showing off. Leaked schematics show a new Tilt Plus gimbal design that allows for a 225-degree range of motion. Not only can it shoot vertical video natively for TikTok and Reels without losing resolution, but it can now tilt upward at a much steeper angle, allowing for dramatic low-to-high reveal shots that were previously impossible without getting the propellers in the frame. This mechanical flexibility paired with the rumored AI-driven Cinema Follow 4.0, makes the drone behave like a professional camera operator is behind the sticks. The AI can now predict subject movement, accounting for obstacles and lighting changes to keep the focus locked with surgical precision. It's no longer just a drone. It's an autonomous cinema robot that fits in your jacket pocket. As we look toward the official late 2026 release window, the question on everyone's mind is the price. High-density batteries, LiDAR sensors, and 1-inch optics don't come cheap. Analysts are predicting a starting price point in the range of $950 to $1,100 for the standard package. While that might seem steep for a Mini, you have to look at what you're getting. You are getting a drone that bypasses the need for FAA Part 107 registration for recreational use in the U.S., yet delivers footage that can stand side by side with drones 3 times its size and price. It's the ultimate cheat code for creators. The competition from Audel and Skidio is trying to catch up, but if these leaks hold true, DJI is about to extend its lead by another 5 years. This is the moment where the Mini brand finally sheds its beginner label and becomes the primary choice for the world's best cinematographers. Keep your eyes on this space, because as more components enter the testing phase, the closer we get to seeing the most powerful small drone ever created.